The fastest way to scale a digital business and what works in 2025, scaling doesn't have to take years. When you apply the right strategies, it happens fast. Want to scale faster? Stop doing what's keeping you stuck. Most businesses fail because they waste time on the wrong things. Let's work and fix that. These are the exact methods top earners use to scale to 6 and 7 figures fast. 1. Remove what's slowing you down. If your business isn't growing fast enough, you're probably focused on the wrong things. Stop trying to do everything yourself. You can't scale if you're stuck in daily tasks. Hire a VA, automate admin work, and free yourself up for growth. Successful businesses aren't built by one person. They're built by systems, proven systems. Drop low profit offers and focus on high value sales. Selling $10 products, you need 1,000 sales to hit 10,000. Selling high ticket, you need 10 sales for $10,000. The easiest way to scale, increase your value and pricing. Cut out what's not producing results. If it's not bringing leads or revenue, why are you doing it? Track what's working. Double down on the winners. Scaling isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things. What's the number one thing slowing down your growth? Drop it in the comments. Let me know. 2. Speed up sales with automation. Faster growth happens when you stop relying on manual sales. Use funnels instead of selling. Instead of chasing leads, let a funnel bring them to you. Automated follow-ups increase conversions. It's great. If you're still doing everything manually, you are moving way too slow. Set up a content strategy that runs itself. Batching content saves time and keeps you visible. Scheduling tools keep your brand in front of new people 24/7 globally. Content should work for you, not be another task. Leverage artificial intelligence and chatbots to close sales faster. Automate responses to frequently asked questions and objections. Use pre-recorded videos, webinars to sell on autopilot. Your business should be selling even while you sleep. Want my automation blueprint? Click the link now. 3. Scale up with paid traffic and systems. Scaling fast equals predictable leads, sales, and income. Use paid ads to get leads faster. Organic reach is great, but ads multiply your results faster. Even a small budget can create a big return. Scaling without ads is like trying to sprint uphill. Build an evergreen sales system. Create a sales machine that works without your daily effort. Have a system that brings in new buyers every day. You can't scale if your income isn't predictable. Invest in growth, not just revenue. Smart businesses reinvest into growth strategies. Hire support, scale ads, and expand your reach. If you're not reinvesting, you're capping your success. If you want to scale faster, click below and let's get started. Scaling isn't about doing more. It's about doing what actually does work. If you'd like more info, I'll send you the PDF. put ready in the comments and I'll send you the details. My next up video in my multi-series, how to turn your side hustle into a full-time business that works for you and frees up your time.